Hello everyone, welcome to another useful video. And in today's video, we are again going to practice English conversation. So let's start. Are you watching the match, Shunai?
Yes, Mom. Will you come and watch with me?
Of course. You know, I love cricket. Is it India versus Australia today or India versus South Africa?
It is the Australia match, Mom. Our batsmen are doing a great job.
Turn on the volume. Let us hear the commentary. The bowler seems to have appealed to the third umpire.
The batsman is out.
That is sad. Okay, I have to get to work now.
Bye, Mom. Have a nice day.
Bye, Shonai. So this was our today's conversation practice class. তো আশা করবো যে আজকের এই ক্লাসটা তোমাদের কাছে খুবই ইউজফুল হয়েছে and you all are definitely going to practice these sentences at home. And please do that, otherwise you won't be able to speak in English fluently. We will meet you in another useful class very soon. Till then, bye bye and thank you.